Hi guys, and welcome to a video about ArcoLinux tweak tool. I've changed quite a bit and this is the result. I'm gonna do this in the latest build of ArcoLinux. So yeah, we have a distro that you can build yourself. You don't have to wait for any release or anything like that. You just go to ArcoLinuxB.com and you build the ISO yourself. And that's basically what I've done. And what we're gonna talk about are the new things, right? Just that. May I suggest the following course of action? F12, ATT, right? And then boot up. But first, I'm gonna get in the latest code. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux, and if all is well, the development version, I keep typing that right, ArcoLinux tweak tool dev version. If that's one is okay, we can move from, well, to this version basically, to this code. So may I suggest to start the ArcoLinux tweak tool here. It's out of the way, and if you want to see, you can always do F12, drop down and have a look what the code says. So we have worked on this. This is new. Choose your cursor globally. User share icons default. Ctrl-Alt-F. ArcoLinux set cursor. Let's see. How to install any cursor theme. Change theme cursor, so lots of things. That's about this one, where to set the cursor. Here you can set the cursor, here, and that's this one. We're talking about that one. User share icons default. So now we have a simple click. And let's open it then. Sublime. That's already there, that's good. Open file. Other locations, computer, user, share. Some of the locations on your system you just need to know out of your mind. Default. So we know I've already made a backup, so the ATT is gonna check is there something, and then we make a backup. So Pipata Modern Ice. No, I'm gonna go all Ember, Modern Ember, apply, click, Modern Ember. So that's the top level of your machine. There isn't anything higher than that. That's user share icons default. You need it sometimes in, for example, the Slickgreeter, and the Slickgreeter is coming from Linux Mint. So in a bit we're going to Linux minify our system, right? The greeter, the display manager. That's it. So in this machine I've already installed everything to be, well, it's the second time I make this video, right? So everything, normally we have this install thing, click, and then LXDM, install, click, reboot. So all of that is done already. Lightdm has just released a new package, and because of it, we have a new Lightdm. Well, start again. Linux Mint, Slickgreeter have released a new package, and that's why we're gonna click on apply the Lightdm configuration from ATT. So in the same time, Lightdm GTK greeter, but also the Slickgreeter is changed. And I see those are the guys I don't want to see. So the Slickgreeter, this is new code. Okay, this is new code coming straight from Linux Mint. That's one, and on file, open recent, no, open file, and then Lightdm we need, and file, open recent, open file, GTK greeter we need. That's it. Some coloring, Pearl. That's okay, that's colored, that's not needed. All the rest is in color. So down here we see if you want out to log in, you'll see it here. What we're interested in is the greeter session. At this point in time, it's just GTK greeter conf, this guy. And everything is set with this button here. Everything is blank, right? It's blank. And here it's visual as well as blank. So we go ahead and say we like to have Arc Blood Dark. We like to have icon theme Sardi. We like to have the cursor theme. Maybe we want to apply, right? No, fill in all fields. Okay. Then we're going to go for the amber look. Maybe I should go to something orange as well. Fire darker, Frolly, Hibiscus, Mantis, Numix is yellow, right? Apply settings. And then you go have a look. Numix, let's see, Arc Numix Dark, Sardi, Bipato, Model Amber. Okay, check. That's the Lightdm GTK greeter. This is installed, but it's not active. It doesn't say that it is active, and we concur it's not active. Otherwise, this line would be something else. Okay, fine. Well, maybe, because this is one place to set them all. One place to set them all. There's many more ATT backgrounds, and also plain. These are the default plain. These are the R colors, but there are also more plain background colors, so you can play with some variants. All right, choices. Let's go to Tron. Select and apply background. Maybe a Sublime text. Quick check again. It's number 57. Okay. Then we quit ATT and we log out and we have a look. So with this yellow accent with amber and the amber thing here, everything looks nice and themed. Now this is Lightdm GTK greeter, yeah, Lightdm greeter. Let's see again, because it's not okay, right? No, that was Slickgreeter. So restart. Let's have a look. Because I've been trying and playing and installing and again, right? This is the normal Lightdm GTK greeter. Right in the middle. Still looking good. So you've already had a preview of the Slickgreeter there. It was still active while I was making the movie. All right. So this is not bad either, right? It's just in the middle. In the middle, then you think that's Lightdm GTK greeter. It's not transparent as the Slick one. Slick is coming from Linux Mint. So again, Sublime. Again here, everything is set, just like the other one, so they're set together in one go. But here there's no cursor. The cursor needs to be set with your extra tool in the fix. I've put it in the fix because otherwise I have to put it 3 times in every display manager. So one place to rule them all. This guy up here, apply. Okay, it's not here, it's never here, but it's working. What if we want to go to from Lightdm? We're now definitely on Lightdm and want to go to Slickgreeter. We say install Slickgreeter. It is already installed, I know, but there is now this enable thing behind it, making sure that the line in here is changed. Greeter session Lightdm Slickgreeter. Now we're gonna see the Slickgreeter. The wall, maybe another wallpaper like this one. Select on wallpaper, quit, go with, and we're going to restart, of course. And that's what happened earlier. The ISO is still in there. Sorry. And this is your welcome, right? This is the Slickgreeter. You recognize it because it's not in the middle and because it's transparent. Thanks Linux Mint for developing this. Et voila, that's the changes, besides the fact that we've made it more consistent. And what I mean by that is that these two buttons always come back. Apply the SDM from us, right? ArcoLinux Tweetle, or your original one, yours. Apply ours, or yours. So that's basically the reset button. Apply ours or yours. And this is gonna be awesome for many of us that say, okay, there's always a difference between this one and that one. When I log in, when I log out, and voila, this is the thing. And another thing you need to remember is account service, right? Sudo pacman -r account service. What has Eric Dubois done already? He has removed it already. Does that matter? Well, if I install it again, I hope we can see it. SR. No, we can't. Let's see if it works now. Sometimes people report, Eric, we get the wallpaper back. We don't see the wallpaper from here, but maybe, right? Just maybe, all of this is solved because of the new updates. Or does this happen? But remember the word account service, 2 S's in the middle. See if it helps if you remove it. Let's go back to the Lightdm and test it again. So Lightdm, thank you. Lightdm, yes, active. Installed and active. If you remove Slickgreeter, files are still there, but the application is gone. And you restart ATT, then the text changes there. All right, then we see here by login Lightdm, we see here it's not installed and it's not active anymore, meaning everything should be okay here, right? It's back to example GTK GNOME. It's back to the normal Lightdm GTK-greeter.conf things. This will be applied. But the thing was, this account service, can we in this video still show what happens? No, and maybe it's gone, right? Maybe it's gone, but remember, if you see, hey, each time I get the background of my system on my login, that's the account service kicking in. All right, enjoy the new changes and enjoy theming your system. Cheers.